welcome to another Live with Leah. I am here on site at Briza, Surrey by Generis Properties, and lots has changed since we last did an update, so let's go take a look. So we are standing on the east side of the building, and as you can see, the hardy board has gone up on the exterior. And along the south side of the building, you'll find the brick being laid. So just before we get into our next stage of finishing, which is drywall, I wanted to intro the fact that we're going to see it out here because the Generis development team is hard at work. So I'm standing in one of the homes on the 5th floor, and it has its insulation in, but not only does it have traditional insulation, it also has a spray insulation up in the joists, which is actually more energy efficient. Now that we've checked out the progress in the homes, we get to go downstairs, underground, and see our completed parquet. So we have made it to the completed parquet, which has its electrical and plumbing done and is just waiting on some final HVAC touches. Thank you so much for joining me on another Live with Leah. As a reminder, my name is Leah with the Pilot House Projects marketing team, and I can't wait to keep you updated in the new year on what's happening here at Briza. And from all of us at Pilot House and Generis Properties, have a very happy holidays.